In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card to Trello, a versatile tool that helps you manage projects and tasks with ease. Let's dive in and walk through each step to get your task organized on Trello. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Accessing the Trello site is your gateway to all of its project management capabilities. Once the page loads, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Trello offers a convenient option to log in using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account. Choose the option that works best for you and enter your details to access your Trello account. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Trello dashboard. This is where you'll find all your organized boards. Look for the boards area, as this is where you'll begin your journey of adding a new card. If you manage multiple boards, locate the Your Workspaces section to find the specific board where you're planning to add a new card. Clicking on the board you wish to use will bring up its detailed view. Now you're looking at your chosen board complete with its lists and cards. To add a new card to one of your lists, scan the bottom of the list to find and add a card option. Clicking on this is your next move. It opens up a blank field where you can start inputting your task's details. This step is crucial as it allows you to label your card with a name that clearly defines the task or project it represents. Naming your card with specificity is important because it sets the stage for better task management and easier navigation as you continue to use Trello. As simple as it sounds, naming your card effectively can make or break your workflow. Think of a concise and descriptive title that immediately tells you what the task is about when you look at your Trello board later on. Once you have your card named, hit enter or the add card button depending on the interface you're using, and just like that, your new card is created and ready for action. To make the most of your Trello card, consider adding more details once it's created. You can click on the card to expand it and include additional information like descriptions, due dates, checklists, and attachments. This extra step enriches your card, transforming it from a simple task reminder into a comprehensive project touchpoint. And there you have it, a fundamental process to enhance your project management efforts via Trello. By consistently following these steps and refining your approach to card naming and information management, you'll find Trello to be an indispensable ally in organizing and tracking your work. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.